back here to Drone in Motion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're back here with another episode with breaking news regarding the GoPro Hero 9, guys. Yes, we finally gotten the official release date from GoPro, guys, and we have all of the information for you guys here in today's video, so you don't want to miss on today's. But before we get started, guys, if you guys want to get an opportunity of winning a free DJI Mavic Air 2, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, guys. It's that simple and easy. And if we're able to get to 1,000 subscribers before September the 15th, then we're going to be giving away one Mavic Air 2 to one of you lucky subscribers. So you guys don't want to miss out on this epic opportunity. So make sure you subscribe and you join the Drone in Motion family. So with that being said, let's dive right into today's video, which is a really exciting one, guys. Finally, we've gotten confirmation for the new GoPro Hero 9, guys. So here in the channel, we've been talking a lot about the GoPro Hero 9 Black. We've also talked about the leaked pictures that we've gotten, which has been a lot, and also we've gotten leaked specs. But today, we're here to talk about the release date coming from GoPro. So today we got a video from GoPro on their Twitter account, which said the following, guys. Okay, guys, so that was the video that GoPro tweeted on their Twitter account this morning, guys. And also, if you guys pay attention, in one of those letters it says more resolution. So last week we talked about the specifications that were leaked, and also we talked about the pictures that were also leaked for the GoPro Hero 9, guys. So in case you didn't watch the last week's video where we go in depth and talk about everything that's going to be coming up with the brand new GoPro Hero 9 Black, make sure you check that video out. It's a really good video, but we're going to give you a brief summary so you guys know what we're going to be seeing with the new GoPro Hero 9. So it says more resolution. So as you guys know, the new GoPro Hero 9 Black is going to have a resolution of 5K at 20 megapixels. So it's going to have a capable sensor, and it's going to be having a new front display, guys. So that's also pretty important, guys. And also, I'm pretty sure all of you noticed the release date, which is going to be September the 16th, guys. So I thought we were going to be seeing it on late October or early November, as we've seen in the last years with the GoPro Hero 8 and Hero 7, but unfortunately it wasn't that way, and GoPro came early with their Hero 9 this year, so I'm pretty excited to see what we see this Wednesday, guys. So September the 16th, guys, mark your calendars, we're gonna be getting a brand new GoPro that's going to be this Wednesday. Alongside with all of that new capability with the 5K 30, we're also going to be introduced with a brand new front display with the new GoPro Hero 9. So right here on the screen, guys, is going to be a picture of the new GoPro Hero 9 that was leaked, alongside with the new box that is going to be introduced with the new GoPro Hero 9 Black. So that's going to be the new GoPro Hero 9, guys, for this year. Alongside with the new box that is going to be introduced, it's going to be a brand new box, completely redesigned, and also that case that it's going to come with, it's also going to work as a transportation case. It's going to be real nice. We're not going to be needing to buy another case. So that's pretty nice. We're going to be seeing with the GoPro Hero 9, and also we're going to be getting alongside with the 5K 30, and also we're going to be getting up to 240 frames per second in slow motion or 8x. The Hero 9 will also feature voice control and will be waterproof up to 33 feet. Alongside with that, we're going to be getting Hypersmooth 3.0, which will allow for even much smoother footage than the previous GoPro generations. And once again, the GoPro Hero 9 is going to be able to shoot in RAW and HDR, which is amazing for all of those professionals out there. This is amazing that we still get that capability with the new GoPro Hero 9. So as we already mentioned, we're going to be getting a brand new front display and also the back display we're accustomed to seeing with the GoPro Hero 9, and that front display is going to allow us to get a nice view of ourselves when we're vlogging, and also going to display battery time, SD card status, and a whole lot more of information, guys. So alongside with all of that, we're also going to be getting Time Warp 3.0 and which is going to be an improvement over the 2.0 we saw on the last generation. And we're also going to be able to live stream up to 1080p with our GoPro Hero 9. Additionally, we talked about battery, guys, which is going to be significantly increased, which is now a battery of 1720 milliamp, which in the GoPro Hero 8 we had a battery of 1200 milliamp. So that's an increase of almost 41%, guys. So it's probable that we're going to be seeing a longer battery life, but don't expect a crazy battery life due to that bigger sensor that's probably going to be included, and also with that high resolution, which is going to be 5K, guys. So regarding price, we talked about last week that the combo is going to come at $499 here in the United States. We still don't have confirmation regarding the GoPro Hero 9 Black, so we're gonna have to wait till Wednesday to find out the final price for the standard version, guys. So that's all of the information that we have regarding the GoPro Hero 9, guys. So I just saw that we got a price confirmation that's going to be for the GoPro Hero 9 Black. That's going to be $439, guys. That's going to be the base version, and then which is an increase of an 11% over the old generation, the Hero 8. So $439, guys, for the base black version. And then for the combo, which includes a couple more things, I'm gonna leave that right here on screen. That's gonna have a price of $499 here in the United States. So that is going to be the combo, which includes a real nice grip, an extra SD card, an extra battery, some nice couple important things. So I really like the new GoPro Hero 9. I can't wait to see what this new action camera is going to be able to do, guys. So that's all we have for you today. Thank you for watching, guys, and make sure you subscribe to the channel.